YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. I got one of these folding layback chairs for camping. And unfortunately, last time I went camping, this little piece that goes up underneath the legs, right in this area, broke. We got a nice little plastic piece here, of course, that broke. And unfortunately, I haven't had this chair actually that long, but at the time, although I'm not now, I was over 250 pounds, and that's probably about where this chair was, so I didn't holler too much. But I did have another one that I had from previous that also has this same piece going up underneath here. And this chair was going to become scrap because the plastic gears that are in there, you lift up on this and click it in, and that keeps it from falling down on you. It kind of holds you back. Pretty much all I used this one for was sitting next to the fire, which now this one will be designated for. Yeah, I'm back on this chair. The blue chair actually didn't work out. I replaced the part and quite gently sat down in it to see if I had fixed it, and the same part broke on it again. So I put the green one back together here. That blue one must be just tweaked more than I thought it was. And so we're putting the green one back together here, and I'm going to take these parts right here off of the green one. And hopefully this is the piece that's stripped out and it's not something in here. We'll have to see. But so I'm going to keep trying to make this work. And basically you have a screw here and a screw here. I showed you on the Jack of All Tips and Tricks how to do this, so look for that video. How you get underneath here so it's a little bit easier so you're not in the way here. Anyhow, I've unscrewed these. That just pulls right out. Go over here and grab the one from the blue one. Take it. And slide it on in here so you can slide in here. Let's get it. There it goes. Wow. Got to hit the right spot. Hopefully that'll work. There we go. I'm going to try and get this all put back together. If it don't work, then these will just go in the shred pile. If they do, I'll have a working chair. My point of this video is that you don't always have to throw things away. You can rob Peter to pay Paul, as the saying goes. And, you know, why throw something away? Especially something like this, because although a lot of these are made out of aluminum, this one's not. It's just metal. But this thing, when I pull these pieces off of here that I can use for my other chair, it can go right in the shred scrap pile. The scrap yards will take it. I'd be happy to have it and give you a couple bucks for it. So anyway, try and think about things like that when you go to throw it away. You know, if it's metal, they'll take it to a scrap yard. They don't much care what's on it as long as it's not completely full of plastic and cloth and barely any metal. But anyhow, think about that before you throw things away. If you can't fix them, can you try and recycle them? You know, a lot of people don't think about this, and there's, I'm sure, thousands of these a year that probably end up in the trash heap. So next time you break something, if you got something similar that you have laying around that you can fix it with, fix it. If you can't fix it, throw it in the scrap bin. If you can't scrap it, try and give it away. You never know who might want it. And then if you just absolutely can't do anything else, go ahead and throw it in the trash, unfortunately. But really try and think about all the options before you just throw things away. bring her back. She goes all the way back. But when you don't want to go all the way back, put those in there. I'm not going to totally reef on it, but before when I did this in this chair, it would have just went all the way back and completely, those gears in there were just completely stripped. Bring it down and bring it up a little bit. Got to get it right in the right spot. Boy, these ones are actually pretty tight. So this one doesn't feel quite right. I might have to do a little bit of adjustment, but still it does lock in. You just got to go. I'm going to have to clock it with this one. It's probably what I was having a problem before there. You can hear it kind of snap, so I don't want to break it. So I'm going to do some more adjustments. But as you can see, it's holding. And I can sit here and do the whole cinches up, get me a beer thing. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.